Good day, world. So guys, I'm making some chicken foot pumpkin soup. So I put some thyme, garlic and a pepper, and I'm just letting this boil and cook, real cook till it's soft. You can pressure it if you want, all right? And then after, over here guys, I have some pumpkin. I'm just gonna, I washed them and cut them already, and I'm gonna cut them smaller, and then I'm gonna put them to boil, mash out. All right, about another 15 minutes or so. All right, my peeps, round about now I have the pumpkin, and I'm gonna dump it in. All right, and we're just gonna cover it back and let it cook, and I'll be back. All right, my peeps, so this is where we're at. My soup is boiling. I need to mash out some more, guys. Let me start with the food. Watch the food. Then I can mash out. And when the pumpkin mash out. All right, I'm gonna let it boil for another, say, about 45 minutes. And then we're back. We're gonna start to put some food in it now and make everything boil down and mash out. All right, I already made some cornmeal dumplings, just a little flour, cornmeal and salt, and I'm gonna need it. I need it already. I'm gonna make them after. All right, so now we're gonna peel some food. All right, guys, as I showed you before, here I have dasheen. All right, piece of 7 yam, afu yam, cocoa, and piece of rent. I don't know if this is good. I'm gonna peel everything, guys, and then I'm gonna come back and add it to the pot. Okay. All right, my peeps. Now I'm gonna peel some food with this knife sharp. So first, I'm gonna peel a piece of the cocoa. Guys, I'm not a cocoa fan, so I'm not gonna cook all of that. And I don't want my soup full of cocoa. It's a big cocoa, and this is like the, I don't know what kind of cocoa. Only my mother know. I never left man cocoa, but it's a nice one. It's have a little, like a peachish look, pinkish peach. So it's not the white cocoa. And then I'm gonna peel the rest after. The bag is good, guys, so I'm just gonna cut it up. I want to cut it small so it can mash out. And I'm gonna just rinse them off over here. And this is the yellow yam. I don't know how much good it be a long time we have it, guys. So alright, let's peel some yellow yam. I'm gonna peel all of it, guys. Because when I leave it, it tends to, and I red dirt, you know, guys. You see? Should I wash off it first? Why? I don't like how it has turned red on me. I have it over about a week now, guys. See? All right, guys, I'm gonna wash these. Look at my hands. I'm gonna wash these first. And this is the yams. We're just gonna wash them off, like each piece is like that. Wash them off, alright? Put them over here. Yam and the cocoa. Make that boil. Because them here now easily mash up, guys. We're just gonna let this cook for about another half an hour, 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna make the dumplings, and then I'm gonna peel the dasheen and the dumplings and the other yams. If they're good, will go in at the same time. Alright, just gonna cook this. Alright, my peeps, I'm just gonna peel the dasheen and show you. I hope it not spoil, guys, because it's so dry and it's so good. See, they're spoiled. Man, these food out here, guys, they don't have no preservative and them something else, so them easily spoil. You can't cut it too small neither. If you cut it too small, it mash out easily. Cut it like that size to get a piece out of it. You can't put in a pot until you after you put the dumplings, guys, because it's easily cooked. Let's cut this in too. I don't know if this don't look like it good, guys. Let me see. I have it too long, guys. Over a week. We can't get peace because we want to mash out in nice soup, guys. We give it some body. Some of the piece of I don't know what you call it. It's a 7 so a purple yam. Something like that, guys. 7 so a purple yam. I want this to give this soup a little body. I go cook and mash out. This is a piece of renter, but me not know it, me not think it good. Oh, it good, guys. Good. I want them to mash out and give the soup some body. Make the soup rich and nice. Yeah, we see I know. I'm going to put all of this at the same time because I want them to mash out. So, just go ahead and wash them. But I think I might put these yam in because I want them to mash out. Oopsie. I might put these one in first. And left the dasheen until after I make the dumplings. So, an amount of food, guys. In Jamaica, one pot of food. I don't know why I make so much soup for. Oh, I have to go give me bread and some. So this is the dumpling. I need it already. So basically, you don't know how dumpling make, right? So yeah, I need it already. So I put hot water in it because I can't do dumpling, guys. So I'm just gonna make 2, yeah. So, ooh, wait. And this, I also have some scallion and 1 carrot. So let me just scrape the carrot. Please. So like that, guys. And then I'm gonna make few roll-ups. So a little bit smaller. Like that. Alright. Gonna put them in the pot now. And then we're gonna put the food. I think I'm gonna put the 7 yam. I'm gonna put everything one time, guys. Let's go over there. So if we hold it off far, guys, that's the steam. Something like that. I hope you can see it. So I'm gonna put some more food in it. I'm gonna leave the dasheen until after. So I'm just gonna let this. Can you see that, guys? Alright, we're gonna let this cook for say 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna put dasheens and the dumpling. Alright, the dumplings. Alright guys, I'm back. So you can see, guys. Yeah. Everything almost. So after me give 10 minutes, you see them on my shoulder. So now we're gonna put the dumplings and the dasheen. The dasheen has them easily cooked, guys, so you don't want them to mash out. We don't want them to mash out. So when dasheen cook, dumplings cook. Alright, so cornmeal dumpling in. Let's give this a this and go down. I only made 2 spinners, guys, or roll up, what you call it. Because the dumpling, them no one people love dumpling in a soup. Put this over there for me, Sonny. Alright, so once you put the dumplings in, you want to give it a stir. And the next thing I'm going to put in, guys, some carrot. I'm going to cut up one carrot. I'm also going to put the carrots in now, guys. I put 1 carrot. And then I'm gonna come back and season it up. Now my babes are gonna put the final touches to the soup. Alright, we have 2 spicy cock soup. I have piece more pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion. I'm not gonna put no more thyme because I put thyme and garlic already. And I have some seasoning. Alright guys. Work. All right guys, final hurrah, I add a little bit more water. I'm gonna put the cock soup first. Always me like mix it out first. When we put 1 and a 2 cock soup with a big pot of soup. 2 spicy cock soup, they're not that spicy, so put more pepper and scallion. I put thyme already and garlic, so I don't need to put no more than. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of my mixed seasoning, a little bit. It has all type of seasoning in it, guys. All right. And then when it boils down, if you want a little bit of salt, I'll add it after. Okay. Turn down the stove at this point and let it simmer. Alright guys, how can we forget about the pimento? Can't forget about the pimento. Oh dear, can't forget that. Allspice. Look at my soup, guys. Jamaican style country cooking. Ah, real pumpkin soup, this one. We want it boil and go down and get some body. Like the brother say, you don't want the soup and go a gully. So you want soup to drink, but everything can mash up. Look at chicken put in mash up. How the chicken put that go, guys? So we need some body in that soup, you know, and then that's it. You see everything mash out? You see what about it, guys? And them they give body at the soup. So the dumpling now make it. We need the yam to mash out and cook up. We dashing them good. Because we cut them big. Alright, so taste the pot now. If you want a little bit of salt, add a little bit of salt. If you want more pepper, you put whatever you want in your soup now. If you even want to put a little bit of coconut milk, you can go ahead, do whatever you want. Alright, we're gonna let this simmer and I'll come back. Alright guys, give me that cloth. Alright, we're gonna take this off, guys, because We're gonna turn it off now, guys, because we don't want it to burn or itch in the bottom. So it's soup ready. I'll turn it off now. Before we turn off it, I always like to turn up the stove for just 30 seconds. Make it come to and turn off it right away. So like now, that bubble, everything come to. As you know, sometimes some of my stuff them stickle at the bottom. And this is it. If you want to go down more, you can make it go down more though. This is just right. Jamaican, real rich pumpkin soup, guys. This goodness. And everything mashed out. And stove off. Alright. I'm gonna let it cool down, then I'm gonna share a bowl. All of that. Alright guys, this is the soup. Me already shared for me. My sister go share some. Where Camille? See it here, so me put here some already. We just wash them. Just take out some for you and then maybe make a little video because mix up and make them see how it stay. Yeah, rich and nice. Everything mash out.
Where you get that, Shane?
Don't worry about that.
You take one more dumpling, but I love dumpling and soup. That's alright.
Alright guys, soup time. Alright, and this is my bowl. That's my sister's and this is mine. Alright guys. Love upon me and I love upon you. I have to taste it. Not sure, Camille. Camille, hold this up for me. Let me taste it. We have to taste it, guys. Aye.
No one to buy you.
No, for me head one do all type of thing. Alright guys, that's it. Alright guys, I'm outside sitting down looking out the door there so. And the soup ready. Guys, it's thick and nice. You see man, look here. Guys, I don't have no teeth in, that's why I don't want to show my face. Face a little bit. Thank God and bless you, right, Molly? You don't drink soup neither. I pumpkin make it nice, you know, come in. And the cocoa. You can taste the background in there. Nice. Country life.